Today we saw a Bader case get argued in front of the Supreme Court. Actually, really, it's two cases that were kind of just merged in together to the same hearing, and it's all related to Joe Biden and his student loan forgiveness plan. This plan was made its way through the judicial system very fast. It was announced just around half a year ago, and it's already made its way up to the Supreme Court, which is pretty unusual in the judicial system. Usually, these appeals and decisions and hearings and evidence, all that can take years and years, but it's already made its way to the Supreme Court within just about half a year. Joe Biden used executive power to try to cancel student loan debt for millions of people who owe debt to the federal government up to $20,000, depending on specifics. And a lot of people were forgiven for 10,000, others for 20,000, really just every number in between. But those were the main parameters that the policy outlined, and the policy was targeted towards people based on the type of grants they received and their current economic situation. And a lot of Republicans are argued that Joe Biden can't do this constitutionally, and that he would have to go through Congress in order to get this actually enacted. And there was a case for in one point where the debt applications had opened up, but since lower courts had uh, decided to struck it down, the federal government had to abruptly close it. So it's created a lot of chaos and questions. Now we're in front of the Supreme Court, and decision won't be for a while, as it usually takes for most of these months and months and months. So and legal analysts who looked at this case, and of course the court that has a 6-3 conservative majority, generally came to the same conclusion that the conservative justices were very skeptical of Joe Biden's plan, and seemed to be siding towards not allowing his executive action to um, go through. So just looking at key takeaways. As a reminder, one of these cases was from six GOP states who said the plan was unconstitutional, and another was brought by two students who were unable to qualify for specific types of relief based on their situations that they believed was unfair. So takeaways, no, just generally, this is it's looking like it's going to be a win for conservatives and GOP.